welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. I hope everybody is having a wonderful week. This is the second week of this ad cycle. There are some deals to be picked up. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Maybelline Cosmetics is on the deal of buy two get six back, but if you don't want to do the deal and you have these 40% off items in your store, the lipstick is priced at $8.79. With the 40% off sale, the new price will be $5.27. Use the $4 Maybelline CRT and you pay just $1.27. My next deal is on Colgate toothpaste. They on sale for $3.99 and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up two for a total of $7.98. Check your app. We have a $2 coupon. And go to Colgate.com and print out a $1 coupon for the second toothpaste. The two coupons will take off $3 and you pay $4.98, get 5 back, making them free and 2 cents money maker. The next Colgate deal I have will be on the mouthwash. They're on the deal of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two mouthwash price at $6.29 each, and both will total $12.58. We have a $2 digital coupon and you can go on Colgate.com and print out a $1 coupon. The two coupons will take off $3 and you pay $9.58, get 4 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next deal is buy two get 5 back on any Polydent or Polygrip. Pick up two Polygrip denture adhesive cream priced at $6.59 each. These two will total $13.18. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $8.18 or $4.09 each. The next deal I have is buy two get 3 back on Vaseline lip care. Pick up two Vaseline lip care priced at $3.89 each. Both will total $7.78. Pay the $7.78 and get 3 back, making them $4.78 or $2.39 each. The next lip care deal I have is on Nivea. They're on the deal of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two Nivea lip balm priced at $4.38 each. Both will total $8.38. Pay the $8.38 and get 4 back, making them $4.38 or $2.19 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on any Neutrogena acne care. Pick up one Neutrogena on the spot acne treatment priced at $10.99. We have a $3.50 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.49 and you get 5 back, making it $2.49 only. The next facial care deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Clean and Clear acne care. My store is currently out of the Clean and Clear Advantage acne spot. It's priced $9.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. So if your store have it and you're picking it up, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. We have a $2.50 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $2.49. My next deal is spend 30 get 10 back on Neutrogena facial care. Pick up two Neutrogena facial wipes priced at $7.79 each. And pick up one transparent facial bar priced at $3.59. And the last item you need for this deal is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Gentle Scrub priced at $10.69. The 4 items will total $29.86 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30, so make sure your store follows the 98% rule. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the facial wipes and a $2.50 off digital coupon for the liquid cleanser. I also have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $11.50 and you pay $18.36, get 10 back, making them $8.36 or $2.09 each. The next deal I have is buy two get 3 back on Avatar facial mask. They are priced at $3.29. Pick up two. Both will total $6.58. Pay the $6.58 and you get 3 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next deal is buy any Palmer's facial care, you get $3 back. Pick up the Palmer Skin Therapy Cleansing Oil priced at $11.79. Pay the $11.79 and you get 3 back, making it $8.79. Palmer Skincare is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $6 back. Pick up two Palmer's Cocoa Butter Cream priced at $7.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4. The two will total $11.99. Pay $11.99 and you get 6 back, making them $5.99 or $3 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on select Dove products. This deal is a limit of 1, but I have 3 options for you, so pick which one that works for you. The first option I have is to pick up 1 Dove shampoo and 1 Dove conditioner. They are priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $7.98 and you get 4 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Dove bar soap priced at $2.69 each. Both will total $5.38. Pay the $5.38 and you get 4 back, and that will make both bar soaps just $1.38 or 69 cents each. The third option I have will be on the 11-ounce Dove body wash. They are priced at $6.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $12.98. Pay the $12.98 and you get 4 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. My next hair care deal is on Garnier Fructis. They on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Check your app. We have a 3 off 2 coupon that you can use, and that will drop it down to $6 and you get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. It's a better deal this week because last week we did not have the 3 off 2 coupon. My next deal is on Got2b hair care. They're on sale for 2 for $12, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. Pay $12 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, limit of 1. That will end up making them just $7.50 or $3.75 each. The next deal I have is buy Aquaphor First Aid and you get 3 back. Pick up the Aquaphor ointment priced at $7.79. I have this $2 Aquaphor tear pad coupon that you can use if you have it, and that will leave you to pay $5.79 and get 3 back, making it just $2.79. But if you don't have the $2 tear pad coupon, you pay the $7.79 and get $3 back, making it $4.79. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on any 4-pack Yardley London bar soap. They are priced at $5.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.98. Pay $10.98 and you get 4 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on the 20-ounce Caress body wash, 6-pack bar soap or St. Ives body wash, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 St. Ives body wash priced at $6.49, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and with that sale the second one will be $3.25. Both will total $9.74. Pay that and get $4 back, making them $5.74 or $2.87 each. And the second option is to pick up 2 Caress body wash priced at $7.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4. The two will total $11.99. Pay the $11.99 and you get 4 back, making them $7.99 or $4 each. My next deal is on Gillette Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $3.89, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay the $5.84 and you will get 4 back, making them $1.84 or 92 cents each. This next item is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the 12-pack Irish Spring Bar Soap. It's on sale for just $7.99. The Green deodorant is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $6.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.50. The two will total $10.49. Use the 3 off 2 coupon we have in our app to drop it down to $7.49 and you get 4 back, making them $3.49 or $1.75 each. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1 per week, but I have 2 options. The first option I have is to pick up 2 always pads priced at $12.49 each, and 1 15-count always pad priced at $7.99. These 3 will total $32.97. We have a $2 coupon, and on Coupon 24 app, we have a $3 off and a $1 off. The 3 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $27.97, get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on the 2 bigger boxes. That means you get back $3. making them just $14.97 or $4.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Bounty 4 double rolls. They're on sale for $10.99, and 2 Febreze Air Mix on sale for 2 for $7.98. These 4 items will total $29.96, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. So make sure your store follows it. That way you get your extra care box. On Coupon 24 app, we have a 5 off 20 on Bounty, Charming or Puffs that you can use because you're spending more than 20 with the Bounty. After the coupon applies, you pay $24.96 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 for buying 2 of the Febreze and another $2 for buying the Febreze. That's 2 offers, and that means you get back $3.50 from Ibotta, making them $11.46 or $2.87 each. My next deal is on Huggies wipes. They are on sale for 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, use the 25 cents digital coupon and you pay $6.75 and get 2 back, making them $4.75 or $2.38 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.